I'm gonna be honest about this. The energy gives me this type of energy. I don't like the energy. Actually, you might feel scared, whoever it is that we're getting right here. Whoever it is that is trying to connect to you. Maaring matakot ka, mangamba ka, something's hindi right about this energy. But don't worry, I'm here to interpret the messages right here for you guys. So just hang in there and don't be afraid because I'm here. I'm with you. All right? Okay. Let's go ahead and check other infos. New love ito pero this is like a warning. Lalabas siya bilang new love kasi magugustuhan niya kayo. At hindi lang yon, sobrang magugustuhan niya kayo. Kaya siya lumalabas bilang new love, no? But I want you to run away as fast as you can from this person. Even though this person is brand new, even though this person right here is someone appearing, no, as possible new love, no? Kasi nga bago, when we say new love, bago, no? But I want you to run, tumakbo as fast as you can, no? Because this person right here is someone na toxic. This is not a healthy energy, okay? And as you can see, na-sense niya natin siya agad, no? During the shuffling, di ba? Oh, okay, I'm gonna tell you more about this so that you can spot whoever this new love is, no? When you already come into contact with this new energy. All right, so let's make bati muna everyone first. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Istam buyers ko dyan. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support po para sa akin. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So if interesado, i-click lamang yung link na yan para kayo makapunta there at araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga wala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit po kasi general reading po ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free niyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. At yun nga mga babes, no? Timeless tayo dito pero ito, okay, ay posibleng mangyayari pa lamang sa halos lahat sa inyo. By the way, when we say timeless, pwedeng tapos na sa iba sa inyo, like nangyari na ganun. Sa iba, nangyayari na ngayon sa kasalukuyan or present moment. At sa iba ay marami-rami. Halos lahat kayo. Parating pa lang siya, no? Kaya meron pa tayong chance na tumakbo, no? Sasabayin ko kayong tumakbo palayo sa tao na 'to, no? And yeah, no, I'm gonna do some kind of prayer after this reading, no? 'Pag natapos natin 'tong reading na 'to, no, okay, at nag-end yung video na 'to, no, I'm gonna say a little prayer right here, no, so that this person here will definitely ma-blow natin palayo sa inyo. Okay? So, gagawin ko yun pag natapos ko na yung reading na ito. No? So, okay, in my quiet sanctuarium. Okay? Okay, so, yan. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, with the Queen of Coins energy and the Knight of Cups 'no, Knight of Cups going to King of Wands 'no. The King of Wands right here together with this, look at this, Magician in reverse. Gagawin niya ang lahat mapasa kanya ka lamang. Otte. But the energy is scary. Hindi nakakakilig. This person here, makikita ka niya in full potential. Okay? This person, ma maaakit siya. Yeah, that's the word, no? If you're a woman, maaakit siya sa taglay mong ganda or beauty. If you're a guy, maa-attract siya rito, no, sa inyo rito, no, na tinataglay rito, no, na handsomeness or kagwapuhan. Okay? Physically, this person here, you will be his or her type, no, or type niya. No? Type ka talaga niya, no? It's like, nagulat pa nga siya rito, no? Ayun ang nakita ko dito or magugulat siya, okay, kapag nakita ka niya because ikaw ang kanyang type. Your hair, okay? Your feature ng face, okay? Maybe I'm seeing the shape of your face, no? Yun talaga yun. You are really, no? That kind of ideal type niya, no? Kaya 'pag nakita ka niya magugulat siya, eh. Kasi ikaw yung dinidescribe ng ideal type nitong tao na 'to, no? That's why unang kita pa lang niya sa inyo, alam niya na agad type ka niya. With this Knight of Cups energy, yeah, this person here is romantic. But don't get it wrong. Because this person here is someone toxic. Even though isa siyang new energy, toxic na agad yung energy niya, no? This person here is selfish, greedy. This person right here is someone, no, na hindi tumatanggap ng no for an answer. So, liligawan ka nito, mag-express ng emotions and feelings sa'yo. Wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT. This person right here is someone na ipupursu kayo no matter what happen. Hindi titigil kahit mapagod pa siya. No? Gagawa at paulit-ulit gagawa ng paraan. No? But the eight of wands in reverse energy, no? Ito yung mga paraan na hindi papabor sa inyo, no? Ipagpipilitan niya ang kanyang sarili, no? Kahit pa magalit kayo rito, kahit na magdulot pa ito ng problema sa inyong side, no? See how selfish this person is, no? Nakikita ko rito na pag kumunik kayo sa kanya mga babes, no? This person here will just bring, no, messy things in your life, you know. This person right here, yes, this person here will adore you, will give you everything, no? Kasi meron siya nun eh. Nakita ko dito meron siyang pera, may money siya, no? To support you, to give all of the things that you want. If you want that luxurious bag, that expensive shoes, that branded clothes, kaya niyang ibigay yun sa'yo because meron siyang anda, meron siyang pera, may money siya, matagumpay siya sa kanyang trabaho. Pwedeng permanente, regular, pero maaaring mataas ang kanyang posisyon. I can give you everything and anything, not just your needs, but your wants right here. If you want that, I can give that to you. I can also give that to you. Magturo ka lang daw, I can give that sa inyo. Yeah, this person here will surely offers you material things, worldly gains. Yun. Okay? This person right here, magugulat ka. Because this person right here do not need your love. What? And you're like, ano? Miss yan? Hindi niya kailangan yung pagmamahal ko. Hindi niya kailangan na mahalin ko siya, alagaan ko siya, intindihin ko siya, magdulot ako ng concern just like a partner or ginagawa ng isang partner sa kanyang kapareha. Yes, definitely. This person right here is someone hindi niya kailangan ang iyong love. Ang kailangan niya lang ay nasa poder ka niya, nasa piling ka niya, okay na. Because this person here, with this, okay, Nine of Swords energy, Nine of Cups, na Five of Swords, ang kanyang only wish ay maging kanya ka. Maging akin ka lang, mapasa akin ka lang. Wala akong pakialam kung hindi mo ko mahalin, wala akong pakialam kung hindi mo ko alagaan, wala akong pakialam kung hindi mo ko bigyan ng atensyon, oras at panahon. Basta meron lang tayong tayo, basta nasa'kin ka. Parang may energy rito 'no, na basta pakasalan mo siya, basta ikaw ang person niya, basta ikaw yung matatawag niya ritong person, wala na siyang pakialam dito. I know, that sounds weird, but this person here is giving me that kind of vibe. Look at that. Because this person here is lusting over you. And I want to use this word extremely. Lusting, naglalaway siya sa'yo. Obsessed na obsessed siya sa'yo. Yun yung mangyayari kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng encounter ng taong ito. Which is, hindi pa nangyayari. Like, mangyayari pa lang. So, I want you to run away from this person right here. Because if you will have a contact with this person right in here, look at the bottom of the deck. Three of Swords energy, Two of Wands, Six of Coins energy. Para lang kayong si Rapunzel dito, ikukulong niya lang kayo sa tower sa isang malaking mansyon dito, no? And hindi kayo magiging malaya makipagkita sa ibang mga lalaki, ibang mga babae na gusto mo talaga rito magmahal, no? Nang talaga rito, no, na totoo sa inyo, no? Hindi mo talaga dito magagawa, no? Bawal kang gawin ito, bawal kang makipagkita with your friends. So this person right here is seloso pero hindi niya kailangan yung pagmamahal mo. Okay, wala siyang pakialam ngayon kung may mahal kayong iba, no, or wala siyang magiging pakialam kung 'pag nagkakilala na kayo rito, no, is may mahal kang iba kahit na nga meron ka pang ka-connect, may boyfriend, girlfriend, may asawa ka, wala siyang pakialam, ikaw ang type niya, ikaw yung gusto niyang mapunta sa poder niya, no, yeah. That's why, in the very beginning, gusto kong tumakbo ka palayo sa taong ito. This person right here is romantic, yeah, sweet, pero that's his or her way to capture your attention. Okay? And I do see that this person right here, wala siya magiging pakialam sa emosyon mo. Kahit umiyak ka, kahit na magmaktol ka, ang importante sa kanya, nakikita ka niya physically, no? Nagagamit ka niya physically, no? I'm seeing right here, yeah, I'm hearing that song, no? Your body is Wonderland. Yeah. Otte, how was it? Isn't it a scary type of love? Wala kang laya to choose kung sino yung dapat mong mahalin, no? At ang kanya ritong panliligaw at pag-express ng emotion sa inyo is like a trap. Isang uri ng trap, no? So, naghihintay siya dito na pumasok kayo sa bitag, no? And when you fall doon, then you will definitely see that hindi ito yung hinahanap mong klase ng love, no? But don't worry, okay, I'm gonna cite a prayer right here for you guys, no, right after this reading so that this person right here, no, maihip ko ito palayo sa inyo. However, kung sino man yung may message na ito, okay? And of course, okay, universe is also giving you a clue or a sign before this thing happens. So, nakikita ko rito na may ispatan mo rin agad na may kakaiba sa kanya, may weird sa kanya, may mali sa kanya. So, I'm picking up, no, na bago pa kayo rito ma-fall sa trap, eh, matutunugan niyo na ito. Alright? Okay. For the initials, yes, we do have, but it's only 2 letters, so that's not talaga no gonna be the sign for everybody. Okay, but might be parts of letters, no, or might be first names. Okay, ng inyong mga names, no, or this person's name right in here. All right. So we have here the letter S and the letter A. So these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. And again, I'm Yuriana. Ani for the girls, Inyana. Duna for the boys. Sarang Kia, love and light. Annyeong.